Alright guys, thanks for watching my new video. Today I'm going to show you something that could completely change the way you use Runway ML, and that is how to get unlimited free credits using just one Gmail account. Yes, you heard that right. You can keep getting those 125 free credits over and over again without ever needing to use a new mobile number or even creating a totally different Gmail. All you need is one Gmail account and a clever trick. Stay with me step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to repeat this method as many times as you want. Let's begin. Step 1. Creating a new Gmail account. I kindly request you to keep your mobile in portrait mode and make the YouTube video full screen so that everything appears clearly and you can understand the entire explanation properly. First, we'll create a Gmail account to use with Runway ML. Open the Gmail app on your phone or go to gmail.com in your browser. Tap your profile icon at the top right and scroll down to add another account. Now select Google and then tap Create Account. Choose For My Personal Use. Enter your first name. Make it simple or something random. Then enter your date of birth and gender. Now for the Gmail username. This part is important. Choose a long, unique name that looks like a regular username, but will be perfect for our trick later. For example, iUserTrick786, Creator90Digital. Now choose a strong password and confirm it. Accept the terms, and that's it. Your Gmail account is ready. Step 2. Signing up for Runway ML the first time. Now go to the Runway ML website. Click on Sign Up. On the first page, just enter your Gmail address, the one you just created. After that, Runway will show a form with 3 fields. At the top, enter your username. This can be anything you want. In the next 2 fields, enter your password and then confirm your password. Make sure to save this password somewhere like Notepad, because we'll use it again later. Insert first name and last name, then click Create Account. Now Runway ML will send a verification code to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail inbox, copy the code, and paste it into Runway. Boom! Your account is created, and you instantly get 125 free credits to use. At this point, you can go ahead and enjoy those credits. Generate videos, try AI models, whatever you like. Step 3. The dot trick begins. Creating a new Runway account with the same Gmail. Now, once you've used up the first 125 credits, it's time to repeat the trick. Here's what you do. First, go to your Runway ML settings, scroll down, and click Delete Account. It will ask for your password. Remember, this is the same password you used earlier. Paste it from your notepad and confirm. The account is deleted, and now you're back at the sign-up page. Here's where the Gmail dot trick comes in. In the email field, enter the same Gmail address, but now add a dot after the first letter of the username. Google will treat this as the same Gmail inbox, but Runway ML will think this is a completely new email address. So, when you enter this dotted version, Runway will allow you to register again. Fill out the same details, new username, new password, and then your first and last name. Click Create Account. And once again, Runway sends the verification code. And yes, it arrives in your original Gmail inbox. Copy the code, paste it, verify, and guess what? You now have another brand new account with another 125 credits. Step 4. Repeat with a new dot, moving the dot forward. After using up those credits, delete the account again from settings. Now, go back to the sign-up form. This time, add the dot after the second letter. Same process. Enter details, sign up, copy code, verify, and enjoy 125 more credits. Then repeat again. Now place the dot after the third letter, and again after the fourth, and you just keep going. One letter at a time, moving the dot forward each time. Each variation is seen as a new email by Runway, but Google sees them all as the same inbox. So the verification code always arrives in one place. Step 5. Reversing the dot. once you reach the end. Now, here's a key point. Once you've placed the dot in every possible forward position, you can't go any further. So now, it's time to reverse the dot. Keep the dot that is before the last letter in place and start going backward. Place the second dot before the second last letter, then the third last, and so on. Each time you do this, follow the same process. 1. Delete your Runway account from settings. 2. Go to the sign-up form. 3. Enter a new dotted Gmail version. 4. Use any password. 5. Copy the code from Gmail. 6. Paste and verify. 7. Enjoy 125 more credits. There are dozens of dot placements possible in a long username like this, and each gives you a fresh account. Bonus tip: restart the dot sequence again. Similarly, when your second dot reaches just after the first letter, you can use the third dot to continue moving forward in the same way, and then reverse back to the second dot. By repeating this process again and again, you can use up thousands of credits in Runway ML. Since Google doesn't consider dots and usernames as unique, your inbox remains the same. But for Runway, every variation is a new account, meaning more free credits every time. So friends, with this one simple Gmail trick, you're able to create unlimited Runway ML accounts using just one Gmail inbox, a password, slightly different dot placements, no mobile verification, no new browsers or VPNs. All you need is a little organization. Keep your usernames and passwords saved in Notepad, keep track of where you placed the last dot, and repeat the process. With just a bit of effort, you can generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars worth of credits, all legally, and all by understanding how Gmail and Runway work differently. This isn't hacking. It's simply using a clever Gmail feature in a smart way. And the best part? No technical skills needed. Anyone can do this. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like more smart AI tricks like this, hit the subscribe button. Take care, and see you in the next one.